Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the market. So bulls a little bit disappointed with how today ended up playing out. We had the gap up open right under resistance, the 281.15, 281.22 double top. We consolidated. We were looking for a healthy hourly higher low. We eventually got it. It was the financial sector that dragged things down all morning and caused SPY to take a long time to find that hourly support level, but it found it. Here's what we look like on the hourly. Low of the day, higher low, and now trying to bounce to 280.40, which is the high of the day. So 277.51 and 277.65 are the most important support levels for me. If we lose the hourly uptrend by breaking those levels, we're then going to be looking for daily consolidation. We'll have a clear triple top essentially. If that does happen, we'll look to pull back. There's a gap at 276.28, and we will look for a healthy daily higher low to form on any further consolidation. So it's all about the hourly time frame for me heading into tomorrow, keeping in mind that if the daily chart does reject, look at the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly also acting as resistance, but if we reject, it's just a continued tightening pattern with a lower high on the weekly time frame, and we'll then have to form a weekly higher low. IWM on the daily chart, same deal. Bulls found that support level. Watch the low of consolidation as a key level tomorrow. Resistance 154.48, followed by the most important level of 157.90. After it, weekly time frame, nowhere near breaking that resistance level at this point, so remaining in this tightening weekly pattern into the end of the year, into the new year, is more than likely the scenario that we're going to see playing out. Just a longer term perspective, again, the bulls have used a lot of their momentum on this move in terms of China and the US coming to a bit of a resolution and the Fed easing up on the rates talk, but we're still watching this monthly time frame for SPY. Left shoulder, head, here's the right shoulder. If we cannot see an all-time high and we start to fade back down in January and starting the new year, we're going to be looking at the potential of a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern on the monthly time frame, indicating a longer-term pullback and a longer-term downtrend, which we have not seen in a very long time. So still on our radar, regardless of the short-term bull momentum that we've seen. QQQ, very key resistance of 175.58. Looking at 173.31 as key resistance, and if we do not break that level, it's just a weekly lower high, and we'll need to consolidate and form the weekly higher low. Hourly uptrend being lost means daily consolidation is coming here as well. Financial sector, so resistance of 27.52, unable to break that level, consolidation all day. Bull's going to give it another attempt this week, potentially tomorrow, and if we cannot break that level and lose the hourly uptrend, daily consolidation is coming. Key weekly resistance being tested. If the bulls break it, that'll increase the odds that SPY and these other names can break their weekly bullish as well. But at this point, it's a bit of a double top. VIX on the daily time frame, gap down open. Bull saw some buying that dip, but the lowest price we've seen in months. So at this point, it's a lower high and lower low on the weekly, even though SPY did not get the higher low and higher high. They're not directly inverse to each other. And the next support level after 15.95, we're looking down at 15.27 as a support level, and then all the way back down to the $11 and $12 range. So a lack of support, a slow fade back down after the spike in volatility. The weekly time frame on SPY tightening shows that volatility is dropping off as those ranges tighten, and we are going to continue to watch the hourly uptrends if they are lost. Daily consolidation, key weekly tightening pattern still intact. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow.